Well, hello! Welcome back to another Wednesday edition of Blue Black and Doyle's channel, Dickin Around in the Shed. We're going to do some, I've been running an intro. I can't talk. Let's see if we can spit it out this time. Alright, I've been doing some researching, experimenting. I've been seeing if I add lights anywhere that would make it better. And I only found one place it would, and that's up in the front fender. So let's do that. So I'll need I might do that. It might make it look better. I don't know. Probably not. I just thought of something. Where did I have that one made to go to? I don't know. Let me think of something. And let's get over to the bike because I got to take the front fender off. And I got to cut the zip ties that's holding the other ones on. Yeah, buddy. Okie dokie, focus. Focus, focus. Hocus pocus. See if I remember how to use this. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? Alright. So I go the other way, don't I? Maybe I'm going. Come on now, get it together. Here it goes. Well, that's one dokey dokie. Alright, that's that side. There you go, hokey pocus on this side. Get it, make sure you always get your Allen hex head in there good. Ain't gonna hurt nothing, it's falling down. Alright, that boat's out. Gently lift your fender up. Hello, that's how you take the front fender off. And see, I just got, I might use, think what I'm gonna do. See, I used the little short ones and I'm gonna use the long ones because that's what I got now. Might take those off and put the two long ones on there, or four long ones. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, can you see me? Let me clean the inside of this fender up. Boo-boo that, boo-boo that, boo-boo-boo. You want to make sure they work before you go through all the trouble of putting them on. They all work, just double checking, you know, they are from China. Alright, I don't know what all you're gonna be able to see. But I'm going to take my hot glue gun, which has been down here getting hot. And I'm going to hot glue it because it'll hold better. Yep. So, first step, I done cleaned it. And I guess I need to pull that off. Let's see. I pulled the other one off. Forgot this one's still on there. And this is the original glue strip, and it's still holding them 2 years, maybe. I don't know. So with the hot glue, I tried gluing these before. I don't know if the tape's done got old or what. But I'm gonna take, like I said, it's pretty much just lining it up and trying to glue it down like so. That's the where I'm gonna put it. Yep. So just whoa, and get to pulling. There goes one. Let's see, it's about Work. And you just work it in. A little glue, a little bit of Monica. That ain't what we're singing, is it? And then right on the edge. Oh, that's, remember that hot glue is hot. I have to tell myself that every time. Oh, this glue might hold. Maybe it's just where I was trying to glue the other one. Just right a bead. And then this little pressure. Hi. Hot. So let me work this in because there might be some more inappropriate language because it's hot glue. Kind of looks like Spider-Man. Oh, I burnt the tip of my fingers. Just remember, hot glue is hot. And this ain't your mama's hot glue gun. This is instructional. It's professional strength, and I'm using the Gorilla. I found that they work the best. They hold. I've used hot glue gun for a lot of projects that are still holding up. So let's let that cool down some before we put it up. Don't want to burn the shed down. So I got this all stuck up. It's stuck up. So let's go stick it back on the bike. It's the same process as taking it off. I'll be right back. Remember, hot glue. Yeah, you can use hot glue. I bet it would work as Loctite. But I used Loctite. And it's pretty tight. All right. Let's go. I just use an old wrist saver here. And there you are. Because let's see, I want to use my elbow torque wrench. Stick that back where it goes. Did I not have, just had a, oh lordy. I guess that's it. I don't know, what did I do with it? Yeah, well, I did, that's it. Oh, losing my mind. All right. That's torqued. Loose. There you go. Just snug them up. Make sure you get your Allen wrench, Allen head completely seated because these are aluminum bolts. Click, click. Torque them down about, I don't know. Just good and tight. Wooden tight. Good and tight. It's good enough for the Germans. It's good enough for me. All right, let's plug it in. See what happens. All right, well, I got it. And I'll show you. Key is to zip tie because you're running the wire along with your brake line. So just kind of keep it matched like that. Do a double check. Make sure you ain't binding up nowhere. And everything's okay, okie dokie. And I'll show you what it looks like with the lights off. Yep. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I don't know what. I'll get it in my pocket. Yes, I do. Let's see if we can't get it to do something else. Oh, that'd get you. Yeah, we got smooth. There's smooth on here. Smooth it out. I don't know which one it is. There. That's it. Yeah, it looks like they all working. You see my butt? Let's see. I'll show you around what I can see. I can't see diddly. Diddly, 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 diddly. All right. See, I got the lights up in here. And then the fender lights, we just put 4 big ones in there. Foil on the bottom. Some under the gas tank, some under the fender, these things right here, the wind deflectors. Under the saddlebag bar. Under the rear fender. And then repeats itself down through here, except for on this side, we got it around the sides of the air filters. I think that's pretty good. I like when you're cruising, you don't get in trouble. You don't want it flashing. Okay. Come on, come on. I can't see. I want to put it on white. So I run it on white. You can run it on, I can change just the color, different shades, you know. Oh, we back to flashing. But I like running it white. That just gives you extra seeability. And here's another thing you didn't know. You didn't know? Did you know? Oh, do you know that when you turn it on, oh, you gotta have it on all. Yeah. Turn that off. That when it blinks, I got ambers down the side. All it blinks on this side, which on the front you really can't tell. But it's not blinking on the other side, see? So, and then it does the other side too, so, you know, goes back to the other color. Now this side's blinking. And then, nose itches. That ain't what it does, but yes, if you're allergic to work. And then when you hit your brakes, they turn red. I know some people say, well, you can't have red on the side, but oh well, really, I don't ride that much at night, so just stop it. But anyway, that's just something. Yep. Well, that's not bad with a two Dickin rounds and 1 battery. So I'm going in the house. Turn that off. Oh yeah, you can put it on music and dance to your music. So this is a good kit. Like I said, I bought 2 of them. And then you can always buy, and that gives you plenty of lights, extra lights. You can buy the extra things, wires and extensions, because you might want to extend them out. I might get ambitious one day and do hers, but I don't know yet. That's the dang wire I was looking for. I thought I lost it. Anyway, go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and I'm going to play with my Lucille. I can put my tools up. Later.